Join me as I dive deep into the world of CLF stock and try to figure out what it really is and if it's worth your investment. CLF stands for Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated, a company that's been making waves in the stock market. If you're into investing or just starting out, you might have come across CLF stock and wondered what it's all about. Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated is an American mining company, one of the largest iron ore producers in the United States. Understanding CLF stock can be tough, especially with all the market ups and downs. One of the big challenges is market volatility. The stock market can be super unpredictable, and CLF stock is no exception. The mining industry is also super competitive, with many companies vying for dominance. This competition can make it hard to figure out what CLF stock is really worth. The global economy plays a huge role in CLF stock's performance too. When the economy is booming, there's more demand for steel, which means more demand for iron ore, and that can drive up CLF stock's value. But when the economy slows down, the demand for steel and iron ore drops, and that can hurt CLF stock. You've also got to consider the company's financial health, like how much debt they have and how much profit they're making. Another challenge is trying to keep up with all the news and announcements that can affect CLF stock. The mining industry is heavily regulated, and changes in laws or regulations can have a big impact on the company's operations and profitability. And let's not forget about the environmental concerns. Mining can have a big impact on the environment, and companies like Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated have to navigate these issues carefully. Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride recently. The company's financial performance has been strong, with increasing revenue and profit. But the stock's value has been all over the place, influenced by everything from global economic trends to industry competition. One key factor to watch is the company's strategy for growth, including any big mergers or acquisitions. The company is also investing heavily in new technologies, like electric arc furnaces, which can help reduce costs and increase efficiency. These are important trends to keep an eye on if you're thinking about investing in CLF stock. You've got to consider the company's valuation, like the price-to-earnings ratio, and compare it to other companies in the industry. The mining industry is going through a lot of changes, with a big focus on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated is trying to position itself for success in this new landscape. The company's got a solid foundation, but it's not without risks. You've got to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before investing. Some experts think CLF stock is poised for long-term success, given its strong position in the market and its efforts to adapt to changing conditions. But others are more cautious, citing concerns about the global economy and industry competition. To sum it up, CLF stock is definitely worth keeping an eye on, especially if you're interested in the mining industry. Understanding the company's financial performance, recent trends, and the challenges it faces can help you make a more informed decision about whether or not to invest. If you've got any thoughts on CLF stock or investing in general, leave them in the comments below. If you're looking for more insights into stock investments, check out our video on the basics of stock market investing.